Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. My name is Leo, and you must have typed in where to find adult forums or how to find adult forums. Is there any adult forums out there? And I'm about to show you this traffic source that I found, and it's free traffic. Now, I do want to let you know something, so stay till the end because this is important. If you want free traffic to whatever, I'm going to be showing you and telling you where you can. Actually, I'm going to be telling you. I'm not going to be showing you where you can go to be a contributor for some free traffic, and I'm going to show you a fast track way as well. So if you're in a hurry and you got stuff to do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell to get notified of my videos coming up. I'm going to be doing more videos on adult forums and adult marketing, so I got a lot of that coming up. So don't be scared of the competition, everybody. Your future isn't written yet. You have the power to make it whatever you like. So that's why you're here. So I want to show you this. I'm going to show you this adult forum I found, and I am using it. It's called socialmediagirls.com. Socialmediagirls.com. And let me show you how much traffic it's getting. It's global rank right there. You can see 1,053. Country rank 1,131. Category rank 104. And this important part right here, ladies and gentlemen. If you want some adult web traffic, you come to this adult forum. You got a high potential here because you got 35.8 million monthly visits. That's a lot of people. It's a lot of people. And I want to show you real quick over here. There's where it's getting the 35.8 million. There's a lot of stuff over here. And let me show you real quick over here. United States, Brazil, United Kingdom. So these are tier 1 countries, everybody. This is where you could come post your stuff. And in a little while, you're going to kind of see me going off the camera here. I'm going to be on my phone because I'm going to kind of guide you step by step on how to go to this and kind of how to do it. So right here, let's see. This is the farthest I'm going to go right here. You got, let me see. Let me move this. You got 18.22 female and male 81.78%. So that's a lot of traffic, everybody, for you to go get some traffic at. So, let me see right here. I got the, okay, so this is what you're going to do. When you go to this website, it's going to have a bunch of pop-up ads, stuff like that. But when you go to this website here, you go to, you could go check out the blog if you like, or where I go to forums. So I click on forums, I create an account. And once you create that account, it's going to allow you to see what you want to do. I mean, they got forum guides for updates. There's new, it's a book, I guess. Self-promotions, that's what we're doing. We're self-promoting. Requests, social media. So you could, if you got a YouTube channel, I think a Snapchat, whatever. I know if you have an OnlyFans page, you could put it in here. Now, I would probably put that under self-promotion category to put your stuff in there. And it's also going to have a lot of categories in here that you could go in there and check it out. Go ahead and read the blog. Now, before this, hold on. I want to kind of put a pause here real quick because this is free traffic. Now, free traffic, if you're new to marketing or affiliate marketing, whatever you're doing, free traffic does take time. It takes a lot of time. So if you want to put on a fast accelerator, then I'm going to have a link in the description below this video where you could go there and you could check it out for yourself. It's called the Money Accelerator. So this is what you get. Now I want you to look at this very closely because let me kind of look at that. Look at that. You get 10,000 clicks to faster your affiliate link. That's worth $97. 150 million US lists. I actually bought this myself. I'm still using it. So 1 billion worldwide email list. where you could use these lists. A mentorship training, it's worth $397, almost $400. Super affiliate marketing secrets, worth almost $300. Adult marketing secrets, worth almost $300. 10 million uh, adult marketing USA email leads, and the list goes on. Everybody, the list is here. Um, yes, so if you want this, it's going to be in the description below. Go ahead, go down there, check it out, and let's get back to the video here. And let's see. Open up my phone again. So back to the video here, and you know what? Since I'm at it, sorry, I didn't mean to overbug you, but I'm gonna have a few more links in the description below. I have my new, or I should say, my latest adult ebook. It's gonna be in my Twitter account. So if you go below, you click on my Twitter account. You can grab the book there. It's free. Also, I want to have another link there where you can apply to be a contributor on a Quora space that I have. That's mine. You could go on there. There's a lot of free traffic there as well. So I just wanted to put that out there and give you that option because I want to help you. I want to help you. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know where you're watching the video from. I like to also collaborate and talk. So that's just me. So back to the phone here. You can share your video streaming apps. That's something new. They keep putting a lot of new content in here. And if you got an OnlyFans page, you could self promote that here. Uh, you could join the discussions, the latest posts, and it's going to give you a lot of links to the whole thing. So I haven't checked out their blog yet, and I like reading blogs, so that's also going to be there. But let me click on the social media YouTube, see where that takes me. So a lot of posts just on the YouTube sticky threads. Let's see. It has there are some rules here. So also I should have mentioned this at the beginning, but also go. It's always good to go read the terms and policy terms and all that stuff. The disclosures, disclaimers, everything. Go just browse through the website. You'll find them probably most likely on the very bottom. So socialmediagirls.com. It's an adult forum, and this is where you could find where it might fit in for your product, brand, or service, whatever you are doing. And let me quick. I'm going to click here on self promotion real quick to see what it says, and I'll read it to you. Okay, did not repost request here. Thread, let's see. Let me click on this one. You could also leave comments to these posts on here. Huh. Let me see. I'm not done yet. Kind of went a little haywire here. So, yes, everybody, you're gonna have to go in there and see if it fits you pretty well. It's I've used it a few times. Now I'm going to be showing you this other. I wouldn't. It's an adult website, but it's a different how to use that one. However, for this one, you go to this social media forums, socialmedia.com or socialmediagirls.com. Sorry about that, everybody. It's been a long day. And you can check out the latest post and just see what engage with people. Don't just go there to leave your links and everything. Engage with people, because it's kind of like a community forum. It's a community adult forum, and you could go in there and you just chit chat with people. Let's see what we got left here. I want to make sure I didn't leave anything out. I might have left a few things out here, so give me a second here. Okay. Basically, you go there, you create your account, you be active in there, you post your OnlyFans, whatever you're doing, your OnlyFans page, or your blog, whatever, and just have if you see something you do not like, ignore it. Don't say nothing bad. Just ignore it. Just be a good person, like I know you are. So that's it for this video, everybody. Don't forget, I got those links in the description below this video for you, and all of you out there who want to accelerate your marketing. I mean, what's better than email, right? You could get, email is like number one marketing source. Of course, you put in all your other social medias. However, that's a different video. But email marketing is still effective, and you can get your product, your service out there, your name, your brand, products, whatever it may be, everybody. There's a lot of potential out there, and I wanted to share this with you. And if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe to the channel. Let's help me grow this channel a lot more so other people could get the knowledge. Instead of having to pay for everything, there's a lot of free ways to get traffic. It just takes a little longer. So thank you very much. You have a good day, a good night.